This is the first. This is the first time, so we'll see how it goes.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the west coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch and she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then wasn't worried about me though. In the gym trying to work on my free throw. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes ma'am. She a little freak on cam, but she don't put this on the ground. Little boys try diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed, they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag, they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Special people change. How many lives are living strange? Where were you when we were getting high? Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me, call me the last time in a champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me, call me the last time in a champagne supernova, a champagne supernova in the sky. La la la. long nights, all fucking worth it. I've been here for years, I'm not fucking nervous. It's not the first time I saw blood hit the surface. Stop, take a deep breath. This is the first step. I can feel my heart beat. I can feel it build inside me. Tear this motherfucker open. Tear this motherfucker open. I can set myself free. I have never been so ready. Tear this motherfucker open. Tear this motherfucker open. Tear this motherfucker open. Tear this motherfucker open. Focused and driven by passion. Battles are won by clear fucking action. It's not my first time, I knew this would happen. The close of the day, I'll be covered in ashes. Practice makes perfect.